going to go over how to do a two-handed knot. And again, you can use anything as your post. That will double as your incision. And you can use any kind of thread or suture material. I'll be using this two-toned rope. So pass your rope, cross your incision, and then before we start tying, whatever's on the right hand side of your incision needs to go up and to the left, and whatever's on the left side of your incision needs to come down and to the right. So then you pick these things up, and the way you want to hold this is to hold it as though you're holding the reins of a horse, because whenever we tie sutures we pretend like we're back in the Wild West. So hold it like the reins of a horse, and then in the Wild West you gotta be ready for trouble, and you gotta be ready to shoot. So this is what I like to call your neutral position. Holding these like the reins of a horse, ready to shoot. And then so the way you do the two-handed tie, you're really going to be doing most of the motion with your left hand, and then you're going to be doing it with your index finger or your thumb. A lot of people like to call this the gun and thumb technique. So what you do is, riding your horse, you see a bad guy, get your gun out. The bad guy's all the way across a bridge, so you go underneath the bridge to shoot the bad guy. Once you got this position, go ahead and cross your threads, pinch your fingers together, go underneath the bridge, pass the rope to yourself, bring it back to your side of the bridge, and then throw the knot down. And your second throw is going to be using your thumb. So you shot your bad guy, you see your friend, give him a thumbs up. All's clear. Go underneath, pull the suture towards you, cross your sutures again, pinch your fingers together, go underneath the bridge, pass your suture to yourself, pinch it again between your thumb and index finger, go back across the bridge, grab it with your right hand, and then pull it in the opposite direction. And come back to your neutral position, get your gun out again, underneath the bridge, cross your threads, pinch your finger together, go underneath the bridge, pass your rope to yourself, bring it back through, and throw it down. The next one again is going to be your thumb. You just shot your bad guy, give your friend the thumbs up, go underneath, pull it down, cross your suture threads, pinch your fingers together, bring it through, pass the rope to yourself, go back to the other side, grab it, and throw it in the opposite direction. And that way you'll create nice square knots.